Alright guys, starting with Eric and Julie here. We had some people comment before that we only went to bougie places to eat. So, we are not in a bougie place. We're in San Antonio for our anniversary weekend. 13-year anniversary. We're at Mi Tierra, San Antonio, having some brunch. You can hear the mariachis over there. It's a nice little breakfast spot or lunch spot. We're fixing to try out the food and see how it is. Alright guys, and then after this we're gonna go float to Guadalupe.
Yep. Bye.
Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, Journey with Eric and Julie here. We're floating down the Comal River here in the Braunfels. Relaxing. Just the wife and I this weekend. Give you a little look here. Texas living, y'all. Post more pics and videos later on. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Try to get our dogs to play in the river and that's it.
There we go. We're getting ready to go down our first tube shoot. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Oh, Jim! Woo! 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 Man, that thing really keeps you out there. I don't think there's people stupid at it. Man, that thing shot me all the way into the wall. Alright, we're coming up on another tube shoot.
If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide.
Man. Woo. What do you think, man? Woo. All right, here. Well, we survived the two shoots. We didn't get flipped. Like we've seen a few people get flipped over. Oh man, we're on those slingshot things. You see it up there? We're fixing to get slingshotted. Hell no. Woo!
Las generaciones se unen
nobody ever died out
a través de la historia del campeón.
Así se llama la serie.
De tener la oportunidad de compartir escenarios con muchísima gente. El poder que se hace.
Look at him. Man, did you see that? Got slingshotted. Hell no.
Pero que tienes que subir
You relax, baby. All right, y'all. We'll film some more here in a minute when we go through this third shoot, and whatever else we get, whatever else we can manage to stumble into this weekend. We have just plan on relaxing and enjoying ourselves. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. We're here at Domingo's restaurant on the Riverwalk in San Antonio. We're having some really awesome appetizers. We have some halibut ceviche and some cornbread that is just like out of this world. Really good drinks. Really good drinks. So, if the entrees are anything like half as good as the appetizers, and I'm going to be very pleased with this. So far, the appetizers have been awesome. And then after we eat, I think we're going to go back to the hotel and go up to the rooftop and enjoy some live music and have some more drinks. So, thanks for tuning in to Journey with Eric and Julie, guys. Alright, guys, we're up here on the rooftop enjoying some drinks and listening to some music. We're panning around here and we got our musician over here in between sets going on. Pretty good little vibe up here. A little warm, a little hot. So, you know, it's Texas. But at any rate, it's a good weekend so far. Hope yours is too.